Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete WhatsApp chat history to clear conversations and free up storage space, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Chats tab to view your list of conversations. Step 3. Find the chat you want to delete and tap and hold on it until it is highlighted. Step 4. Tap the trash or delete icon at the top of the screen to open deletion options. Step 5. Choose Delete Chat to remove the conversation from your chat list. Step 6. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete when prompted to permanently remove the chat history. Step 7. To delete multiple chats at once, tap and hold on one chat, then tap on additional chats to select them before tapping the Delete icon. Step 8. If you want to delete all chats at once, go to Settings, tap Chats, then Chat History, and select Delete All Chats. Step 9. Enter your phone number when prompted and tap Delete All Chats to confirm the action. Step 10. Note that deleted chat history cannot be recovered unless you have a backup stored in Google Drive or iCloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.